Parliament hinge.
It's a new one on me. I haven't seen anything quite like that before.
Parliament hinge and Hall was a member of Parliament.
Ah. It all fits together, doesn't it?
That's missing. The builders didn't put it back.
What's that one up there? Because it's all a bit faint from where I am. That's in Welsh,
That's
isn't
in
it?
Welsh, but it's translated in English lower down.
Is it? Is
Yes.
that to a serviceman or?
No, I can't read it properly myself. We need to polish it down.
It's a bit bad with the light up there and everything.
It is.
But that's partly in English, yeah?
Yes, something to do with Benjamin Hall, Lord Llanover.
Crikey. What I'll do, I'll come back down in a second, my camera, and do a close-up one and see if I can work it out when I go home.
Right, okay.
Up the top there, that's an original window, is it?
That's an original, yes.
Do you know anything about the leading history of it?
No.
No?
No.
I ask because the Welsh Chapel in Hill Street in Newport,
Yes.
the name of which has slipped my head, but you know what I mean. The leading in the windows was it came out of the first batch of steel that was cast in Llanwern Steelworks.
Mm.
And it's this kind of, circular sort of design or whatever. So that, and obviously these leaded windows here, they were all at the same time.
Yes.
And the roof?
The roof is original. It may have been patched up, but I believe it's original because we had to take the slates off parts of it to renew the lead flashing because the lead flashing had deteriorated.
Yeah.
And the tiles are stone.
I think Fred Ando talks about the roof actually in his notes from what I can remember. He did make a point of it.
It's stone tiles.
Yeah. And I believe he did a sketch of the top there, but I can't. Yeah. Well, this is fantastic. I'm really grateful for your time, honestly.
As you can see, in the centre of the balcony is a royal coat of arms with VR on it.
VR?
VR.
Obviously, for Victoria herself.
And to one side you've got Benjamin Hall's crest and the other...
Is that one?
Yes. You've got...
So Benjamin's up there.
That's it. And Augusta's at the other side.
And that marries in with the crests outside the building, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, the one on that door, I think it is there, the one on each side. Which I thought was a fantastic bit of stonework,
Now that's been knocked up by the builders. If you want, I can try and turn that light down to shine on it.
So that is actually, AH, obviously.
Yes.
Which is not something I've seen before. I didn't even realise she had a crest.
No, neither did I. There we are, that's probably better.
There we are, I've got the motto out and everything. That'll need a little bit of translating, but I'm sure we'll get it right.
And you could do with a proper cleaner.
It's going to be a bit of a job cleaning that up.
Yes.
So that's possibly quite unique, actually.
It could well be.
So just the last thing of these, obviously these Welsh, I'm not sure what they are.
Well, it's on the main ones, you've got the Ten Commandments.
Oh, wow. The large ones.
The large ones are Ten Commandments.
There.
You see Exodus, pen 20, 12 to 17. That one there is 1 to 11. Then this one is This one's the Lord's Prayer. Ein tar yr o'n hoet yn y nefoedd,
Yeah.
sanctaiddio dy enw, dweud y deunas.
This is a phenomenal thing.
And then the other side is Crediau yn Duw Dad.
I'm a bit lost on that.
That's, I believe in God, the Father Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth, and in Jesus Christ, his only Son, our Lord.
Where were these originally?
Each side of the altar, on the wall. But the builders haven't put them back. I'm assuming they're waiting for the wall to set before they hang them.
Right.
Because they've had to renovate it using lime mortar, lime plaster.
You mean cleaning it?
No, they hacked back to the stonework,
Got you.
re-rendered the whole of the inside in lime mortar. That takes about 3 weeks to go off. Re-rendered it in lime plaster, which takes about a week to go off. And then they've made up lime wash. This isn't distemper or anything. It's proper
Crikey.
lime wash.
And is that what have been used
And that's what
originally?
would have been used originally.
This is just amazing.
And of all people to come in and paint all this lime wash,
Yeah.
it's the only lady decorator on the company's books, and she had to do all this. So she was up and down scaffolding and thoroughly enjoying it.
So these here now,
Those would have been
They-
original to the
but
church.
as they stand, that would be in their state. They'll be put back up like that, or will
Yes.
they be? Yeah, they won't be cleaned further.
No.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah. God, crikey. Are these pretty much unique as far as you know, or what?
No, they do occur elsewhere, but I would say it's more frequent in mid to north
Right.
than here. And say infrequent, it's not every church. It would be 1 in 100 perhaps, or 1 in 20, something like that.
Yeah. I'm going to close this down now.
Yeah.
I've got a long shot going on there. So if we just shut that for the time being.
Right?